You are hurting. I know this. You have been betrayed. This pain is real. It is okay to feel this. This is a time for healing, a time to mend your heart. We will do this together. Take a moment to acknowledge your pain. Let it wash over you. Do not push it away. We will move through this together, step by step, towards a brighter tomorrow. Healing is not a destination, but a journey. It is a process that takes time, patience, and self-compassion. Remember, it is okay to feel vulnerable. It is okay to cry. These emotions are part of your healing. Embrace them. Allow yourself to be present in this moment. Know that you are not alone. We are here, walking this path with you. Together, we will heal, and as we move forward, we will carry the lessons learned, the strength gained, and the hope for a brighter tomorrow. Find a quiet space, a place where you feel safe. It could be your bed, a cozy corner, or surrounded by nature. Close your eyes if you feel comfortable. Let the world fade away. For now, it is just you and your breath. This is your sanctuary, a place of peace, a place to heal. Let go of any tension in your body. Relax your shoulders. Unclench your jaw. Soften your gaze. Take a deep breath in and slowly exhale. Feel the air filling your lungs and then gently leaving your body. Notice the rhythm of your breath, how it rises and falls like the gentle waves of the ocean. Imagine yourself in a place that brings you joy. Perhaps a beach with the sound of waves crashing, or a forest with the rustling of leaves. Allow your mind to wander to this place of tranquility. Picture every detail vividly, the colors, the sounds, the scents. Let it envelop you. This is your moment to reconnect with yourself, to find balance and harmony. As you sit in this sanctuary, remind yourself that it is always within you. No matter where you are, you can return to this place of calm. It is a part of you. Take a deep breath in. Fill your lungs with air. Hold it for a moment. Now slowly exhale. Release all the tension. Let it go. Breathe in peace. Breathe out pain. Repeat this cycle. With each breath, you are letting go. You are making space for healing, for love, for yourself. Deep inside you, there is a light of love, strength, and resilience. This light is your essence. Focus on this light. Feel its warmth. Let it grow brighter with each breath. This light has always been there. It may be dimmed right now, but it is not extinguished. You are worthy of love. You are worthy of respect. You are worthy of happiness. Never forget this. Repeat these words to yourself. I am worthy. I am enough. I am loved. Remember, every step you take, no matter how small, is a step towards growth. Cherish these moments, for they are the essence of your journey. Forgiveness is not for them, it is for you. Holding on to anger and resentment only hurts you. Forgiveness does not mean forgetting or condoning. It means releasing yourself from the pain. In time, you may find it in your heart to forgive. But for now, focus on forgiving yourself. Forgive yourself for any blame you may be carrying. You did nothing wrong. The future is yours to write. It is a blank canvas. Paint it with the colors of your dreams. This experience, though painful, does not define you. It is a chapter, not the whole story. Embrace the future with open arms, with hope in your heart, with love for yourself. You are strong. You are resilient. You will get through this. Each day, you are one step closer to healing, one step closer to finding peace. Be gentle with yourself. You are loved. You are supported. You are not broken. You are being remade, stronger, wiser, and more beautiful than before. This experience has shown you your strength, your resilience, your capacity to love. Rise above the pain. Let it be a catalyst for growth, for transformation. A new dawn is breaking. A new chapter is beginning. This is your time to shine. Embrace the possibilities that lie ahead. What do they look like? As you breathe in peace and breathe out pain, think about what those possibilities are. Embrace the love, joy, and happiness that await you. You are worthy of it all, and so much more. Take a last deep breath in. Feel the strength within you. You are ready.